Everyone, I am Meenakshi and welcome back to the next grammar session. And today we are going to discuss about article writing. So let's know what's the article. Article is a piece of writing that is published by a newspaper or a magazine. Alright? An article is a non-fictional piece of writing. And what's non-fictional? Non-fictional means anything real or true. Alright? An article describes about any social issue, social concern, any particular incident, or it discusses about any theme. Alright? It's very important to know about the format of article. So let's know what's the format of an article. Format of article writing consists of, first we need to write the heading, then after byline, and then after the body. First let's talk about the heading. Heading is a title or the name of the article. Give a suitable heading, suitable title to your article that must be related to the topic, and remember that it should be short and catchy, and don't waste much time to find out the heading or the title while you are giving any exam. This is my suggestion. Alright? Then after let's talk about the byline. Byline means the writer or the author of the article, the person who is writing the article. Alright? The name of author or writer. Alright? The name of the author or writer is generally given in the question. For example, suppose you are Ankit or Ankita and write the article of this topic on this topic. So if you are a boy, write by Ankit. If you are a girl, write by Ankita. Alright? Then after the body. It's the main part of the article. You need to show your creativity in this part. It's divided into 3 paragraphs. Para 1, para 2 and para 3. In para first, give a proper introduction. Introduction to your topic. Some people do this mistake, like they write the causes or effects of any problem in para first. But that is absolutely wrong. Give a proper introduction in para first. For example, if you are writing about the topic pollution, you may write like pollution word comes from the Latin and it means to damage anything, to destroy it, to make dangerous. Alright? Suppose that the reader is unknown about the topic. He is absolutely unknown. So start with AB. Will absolutely from starting give a proper introduction. Then after in para 2, give detail of the topic. In detail of the topic, you may use some scenarios, write about the types of that problem, write about the last year's records, the numbers, alright? Tell about some more and more information about that topic. You may tell about the impacts, effects, advantages, disadvantages in para second. Alright? As we are talking about pollution, then there would be disadvantages of that thing, and what would be the impacts, what are the reasons You may write about the reasons also, what are their effects. Alright, in para 2, you may write in detail. Then after, in para 3, give a proper conclusion. Remember that never ever left your article open-ended. Give a suitable conclusion, a sum up. Alright? Give a solution to the problem. Give your suggestions. Alright? So keep these things in your mind and your article will be well written and you will get full marks if you will write in this way. Alright? Just read out the question properly before writing it, and I suggest that you should leave this topic for the last question. Do all the question paper before and do article writing in the last, because you need to think about it. Alright? And give proper make proper notes on a rough page, that what things are you going to include in it. Alright? Show your imagination, your creativity, and your article writing will be well written. I think that this would help you, and we will meet in future now, and till then, take care. Bye.